Glen Snyder.
With this beautiful car. Now, tell me about your car.
1957 Bel Air Convertible with a 283 quad 4 barrel.
So what inspired the color?
It's a factory color, so I just go with that color.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it, and I like the rims. The rims are nice on there.
24 karat gold.
So, what car club are you with?
I'm Lakeside Car Club.
Are you the
I'm the
president?
president of Lakeside.
Nice. So you're a busy man. You're a busy man.
Yeah, very busy.
I like the wheel.
Yeah.
It's nice and shiny. Well, Glenn, thank you for letting me check out your car. And thank you for talking with me.
You bet. You're welcome. Very welcome.